birthday tonight. Yeah.
Let's get started. So first,
we're gonna crumble all
you see
of
this.
this.
You see this perfect bread right here.
It's not bread. It's cake. Goodness.
Oh,
We're gonna crumble it up.
We're gonna crumble it all together.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I never crumbled cake before, by the way.
Oh my god, it's so warm. It feels so good doing this.
Do I get to do this right now?
Yeah, get in this. Oh my gosh. It feels so
Actually, before you start this, you need to roll up your sleeves.
So we literally just made a cake and then ruined it. That's like so bad. But that's how you do it.
Why does this look like? Let's keep speeding this. Okay, that's good enough. This
Okay, so when you're doing this, it's actually kind of fun because it's like weird texture, but like it's hot and it feels really good. Now we're going to scoop it up, roll it into a ball, and dump it into here, and then put the
You already
on
have
the pan.
it.
Put it on the pan. Yeah,
Yes.
like that.
I think.
Yeah. Then you're gonna roll it and form it into a ball.
Then stick it in, and then I'm gonna get a little stick.
Like that?
Get a stick, and then
That's good.
swirl this. Don't put too much.
Oh. Okay, so.
Now we're gonna decorate it,
With marble and sprinkles. And like, it's like candy.
and then regular stuff.
Yeah. So.
Let's get into this.
Let's do this.
See this? This is an example. I'm gonna put it into here. Swirl it. I meant to pick it up a long time ago.
Like this.
Okay, you see what I'm doing? Smart. Oh, it looks so pretty! But there's no.
Cheers! Dang! Say it.
Dang. Oh, this is actually pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Like I said earlier, like, subscribe,
Comment.
comment if you like cake pops.
And probably your favorite thing on Cake Pops is.
Did you say subscribe?
Oh,
Subscribe!
if you like, I just said that. And if you like strawberry cake pops, vanilla or chocolate.
Too.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
3, 2, 1, go.
Da-da-da.